Who is Loud Monkey? We are a creative content agency. We create content for your blogs, websites and social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. We write articles, create illustrations, take photos and make videos. We then plant this content online in the right places so the right people find it. This is known as seeding. We also manage content. We look after your social media channels and keep your website up to date. Why is your content important? It's the first impression your online audience have of you. It fuels your SEO, which basically means Google loves it, making you easier to find online. So, why choose Loud Monkey? We cover the whole of the UK and have offices in London and the beautiful village of Alresford. You get 6 for the price of 1. That's 6 different areas of content expertise contributing to your account. We're a new business with a big attitude, bags of passion and years of online marketing experience. Here to prove monkeys are the new king of the jungle.